So first, I'm going to show you how to remove the tweeter from the center console here. Use a small flat blade screwdriver and with your flat panel removal tool, this non-marring one from Snap-on or any one like it. Get underneath that panel and pull straight up, and there's I believe 4 clips. This vehicle didn't have a center speaker, but yeah. So if you don't have one of these, it's a plastic panel removal tool. It's non-marring, so it doesn't scratch the dash basically. So use the same procedure here in the corners here for the other tweeters. I'll have a link for that tool in the description area below. Once you get this panel off, go ahead and use an 8 millimeter and a ratchet and unscrew it or loosen it. And if you want, you can use your hands to make it a little bit faster process once you loosen the bolt. The one bolt that's closest to the window, you're going to need like a box wrench to get to that one. That's probably the easiest way to do it. So here's your C wrench. Unless you have a very, very slim right angle tool, this is probably your best bet. I know it's kind of hard to see, but there's a little Molex plug. Just press down the tab and pull straight out and the speaker release. Make sure to check out my other videos, how to remove a stereo, the front door speakers, and the wiring diagram. Thank you for watching.